welcome back to another Force Technologies podcast. I'm excited today because the past few months, Force Technologies have been doing lots of exciting things. And today I get to welcome someone that's been a big part of all of those exciting things.
Thank you.
So I'd like to welcome my colleague Antonella.
Thank you.
Antonella is from Milano Brothers International, and they are our new exclusive distributor for Italy.
Yes.
Yes. So very excited to have her here. We're going to talk all things distribution, how distribution and obsolescence intersect. I would like to give the floor to Antonella. We obviously know at Force all the amazing work Milano Brothers do, but if you could give us just a brief rundown of what you do.
Sure. So Milano Brothers Group is a procurement agency and official distributor for a few manufacturers on the Italian market, like Force Technology. As a procurement agency, we work really close with the customer. I think we try to have a proactive role in this market. We know that market distribution for electronic components in space, aerospace, aerial sector have been impacted by lots of global events and, of course, shifting industry demands. So we believe that the role for electronic distribution now in this market has completely changed. And the new role is just moving beyond the traditional sales. So what we are trying to do is be more proactive. Be more proactive means to be really close to the end user, to the customers, understand the real need of the customers with the knowledge that we have from the market, of course. The role that we are having right now in Italy is, I think, is really crucial. It's really crucial because it's not just help the customers in finding the components on the market and trying to give the available stuff straight away. But it's trying to give them the right solution in order to respect the high reliability needs the market is having right now, and so all the customers are having right now.
Yes.
The need of the high reliability components, electronic components, and obviously the extended long life of the components are probably the two biggest topics we are dealing with. And what we're trying to do is trying to let the customer meet the needs with the market offers. We deal a lot with electronic components. We work a lot with the military, aerospace, and defense market. We work also with the rail transportation too, but the biggest business is in the aerospace market right now.
It's huge.
Yeah.
It is huge right now.
Yeah.
Aerospace and defense, like you say, with kind of politics and global issues, and just we're coming out of an allocation cycle, and it's hugely important. And obviously, there are lots of distributors in the market, but I think what sets you guys apart and makes you especially good at what you do is you have engineers working with you.
Sure.
So, yes, you can give them the availability, but you also can go one step beyond that for the customer and give them an extra service that they need.
Yeah. As I said, the new role of distributor right now and what we are doing, like what Milano Brothers is doing right now is, as I said, have a proactive role in this market. Even, the traditional sales is completely different. Okay. So even the sales team has increased with the field application engineering, as you said, which is an important role.
So important.
Yes, in the market today. The field application engineering is the person who's working really close to the customer in order to understand the great opportunity in which we can offer the right components for old design and new design, of course. So the technical support is one of the base of our business, of course, and the really good knowledge from the market offers to match the customer needs in a way, So what we do is offer the technical support, designing offers, thanks to the work that our partner does, like Force Technology, of course. It's really important, the context of reverse engineering today regarding the high reliability components needs, and of course the long life terms need. Another really important topic, when you say what Milano Brothers does right now is ensure not just the reliability of the components, but the quality of the components, okay? So of course, absolutely better than me, how the counterfeit risk in this market is growing.
Yes.
Okay? And we, of course, when the counterfeit risk is high, there is a big problem for this market, obviously. So we are compliant to the AS 6081. We have been compliant for a few years now, for several years. And this does not mean that we are certified. We are compliant means that we are partnering with a few labs which test the parts we can find on the surplus market. And, this is, of course, a good point to help the customer, to build trust in terms of quality, first of all. As I said, not just availability. So this is another topic which is really important for everyone in this context, because all the codes, all the commercial off-shelf role has evolved in this market right now. So everything which is available and we know that is attractive.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
But not always it can respect the long-term need of the electronic components.
Yeah.
And so we need to try to find a good balance in between the customer needs and the market offers.
Yes, it's counterfeit is one that year on year customers are still getting caught out with. They maybe partner with people that don't have very high quality standards, like Milano Brothers, like Force Technologies, like many in the market. But you still hear stories, and we still have customers, and they say, I got caught out with counterfeit product, and counterfeit product landed with me. Yes. And it just should not be happening in this day and age. We know so much about counterfeit, and distributors are doing so much to make sure that, yes, there's market availability, you can get the part instantly, but you need to check the quality of that part. Of course. And the customer needs to be confident that people like you would not, you have the high quality standards, they're not going to receive anything that's substandard.
Of course, it's not anymore just look for a supplier, look for a part, look for suppliers, and just purchase and sell.
Yeah.
I mean, this kind of process maybe doesn't exist anymore for electronic components in the aerospace market. Maybe doesn't exist anymore, No. So, there is a big internally job in increasing the suppliers list. Open your mind to all the world, actually. And also, what we can do, and I think we do very well, is not just offer a technical support in terms of, I'll try to give you the right solution or the right components you can use now, or maybe you can use for future design. No, but it's also ensure, of course, as you said, all the quality standards and to be compliant, to the export controls restriction we can face every day, right?
Yeah.
I know very well it, because I'm in charge of the export licenses requests in UK.
Yeah.
So I export of military and dual use components from UK to Italy, and and of course, don't forget all the sustainability rules they have. limited the use of certain materials, which pushed all the distributor in the way like to look for new sources, look for new suppliers, look for new materials to use. So everyone is trying to adjust in terms of looking for more solution, looking for more stock, improving the logistics. So and this is our goal. This is what we do. I'm happy to say that our quality standards are really good.
Very good.
Very good, yes. And this is the reason why our customers in Italy, especially in Italy, trust us.
Yeah, you're definitely a name on the market that people say, you go to Milano Brothers, they, yes, they can sell you components, but like you say, you're trying to be more proactive, which customers value so much now, helping them be proactive about their needs so they don't get caught out with production stops. It's important to have credibility, as Milano Brothers does, for quality, customer service, like you say, logistics, always adjusting and adapting to make sure that the customer, their needs are met when they need you.
Sure. Yeah, I think the knowledge of the market now and to know the customer needs is the base of the study. We need to understand, in which direction we have to do. And this is what we do. Even as I said, just increasing the sales team with field application engineering is a must right now. So
it's very, very good because there are distributors that don't have as much engineering power, or it's predominantly sales. And from our point of view, from Force Technology's point of view, we're selling technical solutions and custom design. So it's so handy for us to have a field sales, applications engineer on your side and, other sides that can understand what we're offering and how valuable that is. So it's a unique offering that you have in that sense as well. You've got amazing salespeople, but you've also got engineering that can, that can work really well together.
And all the supply chain is like, is working in order to be compliant to all the topics we just said, export control, sustainability rules, and
How are you? I have a question. I know we've kind of touched on it already, but how has the distribution market changed, even in the last 5 years, maybe 10 years? Like you say, it's not just you buy and you sell components and that's the end of it. What are some of the differences that you're seeing?
Right. As I said already, the distribution market for electronic components in the space, aerospace, and the rail sector has been impacted by global events and shifting industry demands. The need, as I said already, the need of high reliability electronic components and the extended of life cycle are pushing the distributors to adjust. And so in increasing, as I said, the suppliers list, increasing new sources, improving the logistics, and plus, we already said sustainability rules and export control rules are maybe the base of the biggest impact of the biggest changing
issues.
All the you can see how all the geopolitical landscape marked by embargoes, tariffs, trade wars has changed all the supply chain. And so what you can do to face this problem is just to become stronger, in this market, and so to be ready to face all the problem that we just said. So everything has been changed in terms of sales role. The new role is moving beyond the traditional sales. So probably in the past, the distributor, the sales might have offered the components to the market. Now we absolutely need to have a proactive role in this context. So plus, of course, we can't forget the pandemic-19, so the COVID-19 pandemic, which made worse probably the global supply chain issue.
Yes.
Maybe, yes.
Yeah, I think it definitely did. And like you say, other issues that came out of that, you had higher rates of counterfeit product reaching customers.
Yeah.
It's a big issue. And again, that's why we need distributors like Milano Brothers that have rigorous controls and integrity, credibility, everything that the customer needs.
What I would probably love to highlight is the maybe the managing life cycle of the components. This is something we really take care of. And we're trying, to balance, as I said, the long life cycle. Well, actually, the short life cycle of the components you can find now on the market. So of the codes and the long term needed by the customers right now. So managing life cycles is one of the most important, let's say, topic we are taking care of, maybe, and is maybe, and obviously ensuring the reliability of the components, as we said. So the two biggest topic at the base of the role of Milano Brothers as electronic components distributors in Italy. I would say, yes.
Yeah.
For military market, sure.
Yeah, those are definitely important things to highlight.
Yeah.
Because you don't just measure one product that you're aware of. You look at the customers, all the products that they need, and you monitor all of that for them, which takes a huge burden off the customer. Some customers just don't have time to do that.
Of course, no.
So it's always handy for them to have someone you can monitor all of that. Yeah. You can provide the solutions off the market, or you can have partners that would help you do that.
Yes, as I said, what is attractive right now is the availability. You know,
I want it now. I want it yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. I don't need now, but a couple of days ago, we know that.
Yeah,
we face it every day. No.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's not the right solution, of course.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Well, I would love to say thank you for being here. I hope Antonella will come again.
Absolutely.
I'm sure she will.
Apologize for my English again.
No,
this is our big...
No, it's been great. It's been great to chat to you. We obviously chat a lot, but it's nice to put out the exclusive distribution agreement, the relationship. Yes. Everyone can know more about what Milano Brothers do if they don't already know, which I'm sure they do. So, yes, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, Charlotte.
And we hope you'll be back on a Tech Talk.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.